Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.1 question number 1 part 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial because you can ask question to me what is polynomial. Polynomial is new for you, so you can ask question to me. Clear? A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomial because polynomial are many types. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Form of linear polynomial is ax plus b equal to 0. It has 1 0 means one answer. Linear polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Next, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It has 2 zeros means 2 answer. Quadratic polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. It has 3 zeros means 3 answer. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than is called biquadratic polynomial. Its form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. It has 4 or more than 4 zeros means 4 or more than 4 answers. Clear? Type of polynomial is clear? It is easy? Very good. Now I want to describe about terms, operations, coefficients, variables. It is clear? Plus minus sign. A polynomial is called its operation. Operation is clear? Alphabet x, y, z, a, b, c, so on are variables. Number in front of each variable is called its coefficients. Separated part by operation plus minus is called its terms. Maximum power of variable is called its degree. All is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your expression very easily by the help of these. Clear? Concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Clear? See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.1 question number 1. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? It means you classify given expression as polynomial of one variable or not. State reason for your answer. It means you solve it and give reason why it is polynomial of one variable or not, why it is not polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it. It is very easy. You can solve it very easily. Clear? See the board. First, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. It is first expression. Clear? Second expression, y square plus root 2. Third expression, 3 root t plus t root 2. Clear? Next, y plus 2y. Next, x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. It is 5 expressions. You solve this and give reason why it is polynomial of one variable, why it is not, why it is not polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. First solution, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. It is your expression. Here 7 is constant. It is clear? Minus plus sign is its operation. It is clear? Here x, here x. Only x, alphabet, only x. Hence variable is x. Number in front of variable. Here is 4. It means coefficient of x square is 4. Here 3. It means coefficient of x is 3. It is clear? Separated part by plus minus sign is first part, second part, third part. It means it has 3 terms. Clear? Maximum power is 2. It means its degree is 2. Here degree is positive. Hence it is a polynomial of non-negative integral power. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. It has non-negative integral power. Here it has non-negative integral power of x. Hence it is a polynomial. Hence it is a polynomial. Non-negative integral power, hence it is a polynomial. It is clear? It is very easy. No confusion about it. Very good. Next. Solution, y square plus root 2. It is your expression. Your expression is y square plus root 2. Here root 2 is constant. Clear? Alphabet only y. It means variable 1 y. Clear? Highest power of y is 2. Hence its degree is 2. Number in front of y is 1. Here 1. Hence its coefficient is 1. Separated part by operation plus is 2. First part, second part. It means it has 2 terms. Clear? Power is positive. It is clear? Here it has non-negative integral power of y. It has non-negative integral power of y, hence it is a polynomial. Hence it is a polynomial. Non-negative integral power of y, hence it is a polynomial. It is clear? It is very easy. No confusion about it. Very good. Next. Three root t plus t root 2. It is your expression. Your expression is 3 root t plus t root 2. Here plus is your operation. Separated part by plus is first part, second part. It means it has two terms. Clear? Here alphabet is only t. It means variable is only t, one variable. Clear? Number in front of root t is 3, hence coefficient is 3. It is clear? Here 3 root t equal to 3 t power half, rational power. 3 root t has a rational power, hence it is not a polynomial. It has a rational power. It has a rational power of 3 root t. Hence, it is not a polynomial. Rational power, hence it is not a polynomial. Here 3 root t equal to 3 t power half. It has a rational power. Clear? Hence it is not a polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it. 3 root t equal to 3 t power half, a rational power. Clear? Next. Y plus 2yy is your expression. Here plus is operation, separated part by operation is first part, second part. It means it has two terms. Clear? Alphabet is only y. It means variable is 1, only y. Clear? Here number in front of y is 1, hence coefficient is 1. Clear? You can write it as 2 by y equal to 2y power minus 1. Here power is negative, hence it is not a polynomial. Clear? Here power is negative, hence it is not a polynomial. Power is negative, hence it is not a polynomial. Clear? You can write it 2 by y equal to 2 y power minus 1. Clear? Here 2 is numerator and y is denominator. You can write it as 2y power minus 1. Hence it is not a polynomial. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Next, x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. It is your expression. Here sign plus is operation, separated part by operation is first part, second part, third part. It means it has three terms: variable x, y and t. It means it has three variables: x, y and t. Here power is 10, here 3, here 50. Maximum power is 50, hence its degree is 50. It is clear? Here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 1. Because number in front of x is 1. Clear? Number in front of y is 1. Number in front of t is 1. Hence coefficient is 1. Clear? It is a polynomial of variable 3. It is polynomial of 3 variable x, y and t. Clear? Variable x, y, t. Hence it is polynomial of three variable x, y and t. Verified. All is verified. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve any question. You can verify any question by the help of this solution. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is easy. Very good. Okay.